Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to make your Shopify store appear on Google. Getting your store indexed and optimized for search engines helps more customers find your products online and can increase your sales. Now let's go through this step by step to make your store visible on Google. On your Shopify dashboard, go to View Store. Once you are on the View Store page, wait for it to load. Open a new tab and type Google Search Console in the search bar. We need to click the Google Search Console option. Once you're there, log into your Google account. On the upper left, click Add Property. Click the drop-down menu and then click Add Property. Here, we will enter our URL. Go back to the View Store tab we opened earlier and copy the URL. Since this is just a sample website, it may not appear here, but simply right-click and then copy and paste it into the field. Once that's done, click Continue and wait for verification. Now, click the drop-down under the HTML tag option. Click it and then copy the code provided. Once copied, go back to your dashboard. Click the three dots on the theme you are using, then click Edit Code. Wait for it to load. Once you're in, click Layout, then click Theme.Liquid. In the code, find the head section. You will see the head tag there. Press Enter and then paste the code we copied. Let it process, and then click Save. You will see it saving. Once it's saved, go back to Google Search Console and click Verify. This may take a few minutes. Sometimes it may not work on the first try. If it fails, just try again until you successfully verify your store. Once verified, your Shopify store can now be found on Google. You will just need to be on an active plan so your store is open and accessible to the public. That's how you make your Shopify store appear on Google. By optimizing your store for search, we can attract more traffic and reach more potential customers.